In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Microsoft Loop. Whether you're new to Microsoft Loop or just need a refresher, this guide is designed to help you navigate the search feature effortlessly. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred browser and search for Microsoft Loop. Simply enter Microsoft Loop into your search bar and hit enter. Once you land on the official Microsoft Loop site, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. Signing in is crucial because it ensures you have access to all your workspaces, documents, and features within Microsoft Loop. Now that you're logged in, let's talk about where you can find the search feature. This handy tool is located on the navigation pane, which you'll typically find on the left side of your Loop interface. The navigation pane is your go-to area for accessing different sections within Loop, so it's helpful to become familiar with it. Keep an eye out for the search icon, which is depicted as a magnifying glass. According to Microsoft Learn, this icon is your gateway to all the searching capabilities Loop has to offer. A quick tip for those who prefer shortcuts: you can also press Ctrl+J on your keyboard. This combination swiftly opens up the search feature, saving you a few clicks. Keyboard shortcuts can greatly enhance your productivity, so it's worth committing this one to memory if you frequently search for items in Loop. With the search interface open, you're ready to conduct your search. Start by typing your desired search term into the search box. This could be any keyword or phrase related to the content you're looking for, like a title of a document, a specific word, or even a colleague's name if you're searching within shared workspaces. As you type, Loop will begin to display matching results, making it easier for you to locate the item you need. And that's it. You've now learned how to search effectively within Microsoft Loop. This tool is especially useful for quickly finding documents, notes, and other important information without having to manually sift through pages and pages of content. Remember that the more specific your search term, the more relevant your results will be. So try to be as precise as possible with your keywords. Thank you for tuning in today to learn about using the search feature in Microsoft Loop. With this skill under your belt, navigating Loop should become a quicker and more streamlined process. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and insights. Happy searching, and see you in the next video.